So nyanu munem in closing, anama yunu biko, all our youth groups na Igbo, all our young people, traders, everybody, onye ọbụla ịbụ nakwa ịbụrụ onye Igbo, gee nwanne gị nwoke ntị, oge elugo. Business ọbụla ime ị na-eme, jee bido carry out feasibility study n'ala Igbo. Feasibility study n'ala Igbo. Ọkwụnụ fụ na state recently. Our brother Ekene Mkpalu, I think that's his name. But the guy, Bo IMAX Studio, IMAX Cinemas, Film One Cinema, right? In Lagos, that all of you know. Or Ekene be the main engine way back in Nigeria, from the reports. But Ekene be away better. Man, the usual thing now they when they say maybe annual for and all that things will make it that. It's the usual thing the buyer they go used to it. We'll make them batch up Ekene. Ekene we bruise Ubolia. My connection here. Bunani. We see that cause come their mouth. Today, as we speak, one of the most, not one of, I would say the most beautiful, the most modern, the most sophisticated film cinema in the whole of Nigeria is sitting in Newi right now. The same thing made our brother Landmark. Onye ọbụla nọ n'nka. Mgbe emesi Landmark ihe mere ya, the same usual thing. Gịnị ka Landmark mee? Landmark land ya n'ala Igbo. Wee bido. Today, Nike Lake Resort is a destination of choice for onye ọbụla na-aga n'ala Igbo now or Enugu State. And from there, I'm encouraging him to go and check all those beaches that we have in Ebonyi State. All these governors, Igbo, let us partner with Igbo intelligentsia and investors. There are so many powerful Igbo people who can do great things. The coast is clear. Read my lips and my word now. The coast is clear. Now, oge lue mgbe a ga-asị ka enyegodi ndị anyị afa na-achọ enesi anya ya fụ na anyị anọkọtara ọnụ ọ ga-enyekwa anyị nsogbu ọ ga-afịakwa arụ before you know it were anyị tikọ with ndị ọzọzi ndị ga na-ene anya because I guess na ndị amara ka esi ndị ama njikọta nwa onwe ọnụ. So let us pair them with other people. Mana ọ bụkwa maka ma obodo ọ ga-ekewa eji m asụsụ bụ anyị wee na-agwa gị today. Nkewa nọ in the horizon. Almost everybody can see it. Mana okewa ị ga-achịnwukwa onwe gị. Ọ bụ na ị ga-achịnwe onwe gị ngwa zikọnụ ndị ụwa na ị ga-achịnwe onwe gị by bringing yourselves together ndị Igbo. Oge elugonu. Remember, it is not by all manner of political machination. It have by divine predestination. It have not by human hands, but by the hands of the Most High God. The timing is not human timing. It is God's timing. But the human beings involved in this plan must align themselves. And this is what I'm begging us to do. Ekene Bugolu, a very ultra-modern cinema, the best of its kind, probably in West Africa. The situation and Newi. How many billions that cinema must have got. So the guy is stupid. No, it is because our renaissance has come. It has begun. It is because our time has come. Fogo. I don't mince words when I say things. I don't hallucinate. I can stay 10 months without making any video if I don't know what to say. Man, I will say it, and I say it without any fear. Chindi we fogo. Me be no bodo Igbo, me be na Nigeria and other places. Bulu for bunine menaba ani Igbo when it is still early, before properties will become too difficult to purchase. And Igbo will become the toast of Africa. I say save every video name now. And Igbo will be the toast, not in the distant future. Very soon. That in our lifetime. Nobody nam in my lifetime. Any man or woman that stands in the way of what God is doing, the person will go for it. Obro mwa game, Chineke game anake. Can you pokota no one? Only watch this video. Tell yourself, I will never in my life watch another Igbo person suffer or die, and I look the other way. Onulube Nwanne Agbanoso means that Nino, the cry, the outcry of your brother, you rush to take care of them. Unaflife name na social media. Adimejani for Igbo business that is struggling. I will invest my money in it. Are you not following me on X? Go to X. Ụmụ Igbo niile nọ na wepụtachasị now na social media na defend our cause. Our billionaires time has come for you people to identify all these children, all these boys and girls that are now fighting Igbo cause on social media. Igbo fan a phone, itutulego 1 year fan account. I do it. In 1 year fan account. And then they defend all these other people. They have sponsors now sponsor. Ọ bụrụ onye na-fight for Igbo land anyị na-eche until mgbe X ji wee kwụọ ụgwọ ọ na-eche mgbe Facebook ji wee kwụọ. No, we have billions ka anyị wee support bụ ụmụaka be anyị. Ọkwụnụfụ gị achọrọ ime anyị mgbe ebido mebe this whole Christian genocide. Ha wee pụta ihe ọbụla emere bụ ndị Igbo. But look at it now. Go to social media for that now. There is sanity now. Onye ọbụla ntị ukwu about you ndị Igbo. Onye a na-echegodi eche first before they kwuo okwu, because I know all these girls na Vivian no there, na Adi Igbo no there, na Die God, all of the ụmụaka nwapụtachasị from nowhere. Now fighting the cause of Igbo. Unu nokata, you identify anyone. Why say Nebiko or Nabiko Cable? You go to my account today. It's never gonna motivation, morale, and a boost. If you want Igbo business now around you that is struggling, support it. I have one I've just identified. This girl, Vivian, no Vivian or Chidima. Chidima Guam. I'm gonna make a video. I don't want to talk about her. Made perfume name more after Igbo themes. Achalugo, Odogu, and all that. Ndị Igbo niile should patronize that business. And I'm not going to patronize it. I've already ordered and bought that perfume. I am going to make sure that that girl's business is funded. Wait for my video on her. This is what we should be doing. Nobody's paying me a dime for it. This is what we call Onulube Nwanne Agbanoso. Nobody should watch an Igbo person suffer for any reason. I want for this equal for Obaloni Igbo. On what basis? That bond that brought us together, that we are known for, we have to go back to it. Mwa boy, anyibido mewe kambe. Make it to the point that Harvard University sent people to come and study these Igbo people. Unara Pupania. Igbo, let's go back to it. Let's go back to it. This is who we are. In the Bible, Nelota na onye jere inu Rachel nwa Jacob. Nelota. Rachel, onye jere inu Rachel nwunye Jacob. Jacob jere inu nwunye ya. Okay? Okwa Jacob, right? Owesi na Rachel ko ya ano. Owesi ano ya for 7 years. Okwa boy ko gba. Bacha boy 7 years. And you are the wrong person. Again. 7 years out. How is it? Is it a coincidence that at the end of the day, not 7 years out, you are the person the Bible spoke about. Let's go back to our divine tradition and not lose it. The too much in the Igbo. We have the keys to greatness and prosperity. Let us not lose it. We'll talk more in the future. I love you with all my heart, and may God bless you. Dalum.